So when you initially make graphs within Excel, when you're highlighting your data and then making a line graph, they're going to just pop the graph up right here within this same sheet. So this is just one sheet within this tab. You can add a bunch more by pressing the plus here. When you're collecting a lot of data, so let's say you have a lot of behaviors going across, or you're graphing skill acquisition data, and so all of your programs may go across, like your percentages for programs may go across the page. You won't have enough room to have these graphs right here in the middle, because it's going to kind of be overrun by your data at some point. So a really easy way to move it to a new sheet is that you would select it, go up to chart. We want to move the chart, and this is going to ask whether we want it as right now it's an object within sheet 1. We want to move it to its own new sheet. So we're going to click new sheet, and I'm just going to put aggression right here so that it has a label. And what that's going to do is it's going to put it right here in its own tab. And notice it didn't transfer our little shape that we had where we made our phase lines. So we need to go in here, insert shape line, and put in a new phase line. Like that. And then this, if you're going to keep a bunch of your data, literally you're going to open your spreadsheet and just enter your data all within one tab, you can go ahead and rename this, so you can double click on this and just call it the data tab. And then for each graph, you can have a tab that's an aggression tab, an SIV tab, and a disruption tab. So that's where it didn't transfer our little object that we drew in there.